Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now we're going to unbox this right here. This is the parts that I ordered online. This is the heating element of our whirlpool dryer. So yeah, so I'm going to replace one of the dryer that I just make it work for a few days because they need it. So but I know the problem is the element because I just connected the element on the back because it's already, it's snapped on the the spring. So I just connected them, I spliced them, so it works again for a few days. I mean for a few weeks, and then now I need to replace it with a new one, and I ordered this elements here. So I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show it to you what it look like. These are the whirlpool heating elements for a dryer. Okay, so I've been replacing a lot of them ever since. So yeah, I replaced thermal cut off. It was the only problem of of the dryer. I replaced that, but right now there's no problem on the heating elements. I mean in the thermal cut off. So all the parts like that, so all the fuses is working. So I just checked all of them, but right now I just look what is the problem of this dryer, because when I put the new parts, it's still the same, it's not heating up. So when I double check this dryer, and I need to look the heating element, maybe something wrong on there, why it's not heating. So it's not, like I said, it's not only the problem is the thermal cut off or any fuses that you have in there. So maybe in your elements is problem too. So this is what look like it. This is the heating elements. So what we have inside is the this is the, where did I order it? We have this part zone supply. I order a lot of stuff online, eBay, Amazon, or MCOMs, or part supply, So this is the heat elements right here. So in a period of time, and that is, I have here in this property, all the unit here, all the washer, the dryer here is been sitting here for 14 years. It's never been replaced with a new dryer. So the only thing is always problem on it is their parts get bad, or this one is get bad, because normally this thing, it gets cut off too. They get snapped into two pieces. They snap here, or maybe they snap there, or sometimes all the way in the bottom there. So sometimes you check it here, it's okay, but when you put it back, it's still not doing anything. So but all your parts is working, so you need to look up on the bottom there. So you just need to get some screwdriver, flat screwdriver, lift this thing up, open up that thing and check it on the bottom, because sometimes you cannot only see it until you don't open it. Okay, so like I said, this is the elements for dryer. So when you put this thing in, you just slide, and in this side you have this fuse right here. This is, they call it the thermal cut off. They have one over here also. So these are all the parts. You can put one more parts here and connect it on this one. So like I said, when you check them, it's not always it's gonna be the thermal cut off. That's just normally always been broken. But if you already replace that and it's still not working, you're going to this one to check them, because in dryer they have, like, if I believe they have 1, 2, 3, or 5 kind of fuses in there, including that thermal cut off fuse there, or any switches that they have it. And plus, if you already, all of those are working, So you need to go and check this thing out too, because normally they cut off here, they cut there. So for if you're waiting for a parts and you want that to work it out, you can connect this thing. You just, you know, just get the pliers and connect them, then it's still gonna work for a few days or a few months. It depends, you know, because this thing is get burned too, so they're very hot on this thing. That's why it's this element. So all right, I'm going to put this thing in one unit in here. I need to install this. So because they just text me that they said they don't have any dryer working. All I know is, you know, it's gonna be, that's the problem, because I already checked that. So all right, I'm going to put this thing in maybe tomorrow. So like I said, too many project. I'm fixing some windows, right? You see, painting windows, and you know, restoration of all the windows. So yeah, so like I said, and also this is the miter saw stand that I just you know, video it last, you know, the last video that I have, and I just put a laminate here for just make as a table, you know. All right, okay, thank you again for watching. This is Jack Ultra. Thank you, have a nice day. Bye bye.